Hello everyone. Good day, and today I'll be going to report about measurement related in agriculture, in the subject of agricultural and biosystems engineering. So let's start. Problem one: farm perimeter and fencing requirement. A rectangular farm has a length of 50 meters and a width of 30 meters. The farmer plans to fence the entire perimeter using barbed wire. Fence posts will be placed every 2 meters, including posts at the corners. Now the questions is eh, compute the perimeter of the farm, and the second is determine the number of fence posts required, and the third one is explain briefly why correct measurement is important in fencing a farm. So in the next slide, I will discuss about the calculation of the perimeter farm. The first question, or letter A, compute the perimeter of the farm. The perimeter, so in the slide, you can see that perimeter equals to 2x. Length, length plus width. So the given is length is 50 meters and the width is 30 meters. To calculate that, we need um, to plus the length and the width. So first we need to plus that. So 50 plus 30 is equals 80. And then the length and width is we need to times it into perimeter, which is 2 times 80 equals 160 meters. So the answer of the question A, or in the first question, the perimeter of the farm is 160 meters. So, and let's continue in the question number 2, or in letter B. Letter B, determine the number of fence posts required. Fence posts are placed every 2 meters, including at the corners. Number of posts along the perimeter. So number of posts equals to perimeter divide to distance between posts plus 1. But since posts are at both ends of each segment, the total count is the number of posts equals perimeter divide 2 plus 1. So that's the formula. So we need to calculate that. And calculating, as you can see in the slide, is 160 divide 2, which is the answer is 80. And 80 plus 1 is equals to 81. So the answer is 81 fence posts are required. And letter C, or in the last question, the problem 1, explain briefly why correct measurement is important in fencing a farm. So correct measurement ensures that the fence is long enough to enclose the entire farm without gaps or shortages. Accurate measurements prevent wastage of materials and avoid the risk of leaving parts of the farm unfenced, which could lead to animals escaping or predators entering. Proper measurement helps in planning and cost estimation as well. So let's move on into the problem 2. In problem 2, number required using board feet. The fence posts are made of wooden number measuring 2 inches times 4 inches times 2 meter. So 2 meter per post. So the given is 1 meter equals 3.29 feet. Board feet formula. So the board feet formula is the thickness times width times length and divide 12. So the three questions is that convert the length of one post from meters to feet. And the second is compute the board feet required for one fence post. The last one is determine the total board feet required for all pins post. In a given data, post dimensions is 2 inches thickness times 4 inches width times 2 meters length. And conversion factor is 1 meter equals 3.28 feet. The board feet formula is that board feet equals thickness times width times length divide 12. So in letter A, we need to convert the length of one post from meters to feet. So length in meters is 2 meters convert to feet. So we need to convert the 2 meters into feet. 2 meters times 3.28 feet, which is the feet per meter, and equals to 6.56 feet. So the answer is the length of one post is 6.56 feet, which is which is the answer of the given formula. And the second question, or the letter B, is compute the board feet required for one pins post using the formula. So board feet thickness times width times length divide 12. So we need to substitute the values. So thickness is 2 inches, width is 4 inches, and the length is 6.56 feet. So we need to calculate the numerator. So 2 times 4 times 6, 6.56 is equals to 52.48. But in the given formula, or as you can see in the screen, it's 2 times 4 equals 8. And 8 times 6.56 is equals 52.80, 54.48. Now we need to divide by 12. So 52.48 divided 12 is equals to 4.37. So the answer of the question B is 4.37. So approximately 4.37 board feet are required for one pins post. Let's move on in the last question, the problem 2. Determine the total board feet required for all pins post. So we need to recall, or we will recall from problem 1 the number of posts needed, which is 81. So total board feet is 81. So we need to times the 81 times 4.37, which is equals to 354.97. So the answer is approximately 355 board feet are required for all pins post. And that that's the way how to calculate the inches, or the required board feet for pincing the farm. And thank you for listening. And I am Clint Takandong reporting